Welcome, friends. Today we continue our A2 journey. Our lesson is called Food and Cooking, talking about meals and recipes. At A2 level, we can describe not only what we eat, but also how we prepare food. We will learn food words, cooking verbs, and practice sentences about meals. We will also reflect on gratitude for food, take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and smile gently. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Vegetables, fruit, meat, rice, bread, soup. These are words for food. Let's say them together slowly. Now let's learn cooking verbs. Repeat after me. Cook, boil, fry, cut, mix, eat. These are words for actions in the kitchen. Let's make sentences. I cook rice every day. I boil vegetables for lunch. I fry fish in the evening. I cut fruit for breakfast. I mix soup with rice. I eat bread in the morning. Repeat after me slowly. Notice how we add food and cooking verbs together. Let's imagine daily life. In the morning, I eat bread and fruit. At lunch, I boil vegetables and cook rice. In the evening, I fry fish and mix soup. Repeat with me. I eat bread and fruit. I boil vegetables and cook rice. I fry fish and mix soup. Close your eyes for 1 minute. Think of your meal today. Say softly in your mind, I eat with gratitude, I cook with mindfulness, I share with joy. This is both English practice and mindfulness practice, noticing food with awareness and gratitude. At A2 level, we connect sentences with and, but, because. Examples, I cook rice and boil vegetables. I fry fish, but I don't fry meat. I eat fruit because it is healthy. Repeat after me. I cook rice and boil vegetables. I fry fish, but I don't fry meat. I eat fruit because it is healthy. Today we learned our 10th A2 lesson, Food and Cooking, talking about meals and recipes. We practiced vocabulary for food, vegetables, fruit, meat, rice, bread, soup, cooking verbs, cook, boil, fry, cut, mix, eat, longer sentences combining food and cooking, connectors, and, but because, reflection, eating and cooking with gratitude. These sentences help us speak more clearly about food and cooking, and they remind us to live mindfully by appreciating meals. Thank you for joining me. May your practice bring peace, clarity, and joy.